Class 9 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our chapter 6, that is the playing with numbers. Now let us start what is in this exercise. So example 1, it is given that PQ minus QP is equal to 27. So you have to see PQ minus QP is equal to 27. As you know, any number, suppose it has 85, so it can be written as 8 into 10 and plus 5, because it returns, it is unit place. So you can write P and Q also same type. So 10P and plus Q. Here is 10Q and plus P. Now let us see what will be happen in this 10P plus Q minus 10Q and minus P. It is 27. Now 10P and minus 1P, that means it is 9P minus, that is the 9Q also, and it is 27. Now dividing by 9, so we get P minus Q is equal to 3. So we can find the pair of P and Q as their difference is 3. So the value of P here and the value of Q is here, and the remainder is 3. So how can say it is 3? So it is P minus Q is equal to 3. So let us see here P minus Q. So P is here, suppose it is 9, so Q is 6. So P minus Q, that is the 9 minus 6, that is 3. Now come to the here, which number we can decrease this number, it is 8. So that number is 5. So add 8 minus 5, that is 3. And here is, suppose it is 7, and here is 4. So 7 minus 4, that is 3. Now the next number, that is the 6, and here is 3. So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And what about 2? 5, the 5 minus 2. So you have to see that is the 3, and here is, suppose it is 4 and it is 1. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. So you can see this one, that is the 3 and minus 0. So 3 minus 0, it will be also 3. So these are the answers. So these the value of P and Q. So that will be your answer. Now come to the next question, that in the example 2. In this question, AB we can written as, suppose we have 85, that means it is written as 8 into 10 plus 5. So that means 10x. So you can say here AB, that is the 10A and plus B, and further AB, that is the 10A plus B, which is equal to A 100A and plus 10C and plus C. So let us see here. So multiply to this, it will be 100 of A square plus this one multiply to this one, 100A square. Now it is 110AB, 10AB, and further it is multiplied to this one, B and 10. So we get 10AB and plus B square is equal to 100 of A plus 10 of C and plus C. Now let us see, it is the 100 of A square plus 20 of AB and plus B square. It will be equal to 100 of A plus 10 of C and C. Now comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides. So what will be happen? It is 100 of A square will be equal to 100A. So you can say that means A is equal to 1. We can solve this. Now come to the second one. Here is 20 of AB is equal to C. Now put the value of, now and the last one, that is the B square, and B square is equal to C. 20 AB is equal to 10C, so you can say 2AB is equal to C. Put the value of A, so 2 into 1 into B is equal to C. So 2B is equal to C, and B square is equal to, here is C. Now you can put here B square is equal to C. So C is equal to 2B, you can put here. So B square is equal to 2B. Now B is equal to 2. So the value of B is 2, and here is A is A. And what about to C? Now you can put the value of B. C is equal to 2 square. That means C is equal to 4. So what is our solution? You can see what is the solution of this game. So A is 1, A is 1 and B is 2. You can see once again A is 1, B is 2. Now it is multiplied, so we get 1, 4, 4. And A is here is 1 because it is given as A as 1, B is 2, both are the B, and C is 4. So both place are 4. So that is your solution. So these are the answers. So you can write here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 4. So that will be your answer. Let us start the next one. What will be happen in this? Example 3. So in this case you can see here is M into 3, that is the N. So both unit place have the same digits. So that means and the value of N may be 0 or 5. But but the 10th digit, that is the M, both are the same, but M is also same. So N is equal to 0 and M is equal to 5. So let us see what will be happen. Suppose M is equal to 5, N is equal to 0, now 3. So multiply to this one, 3 0 is 0 and 3 5 is 15 and 1 carries, so it is 1560. So you can say M is equal to 5 and N is equal to 0, and what is the L? L is equal to 1. So these are the value of these questions. So that is going to be your answer. Let us see the next question exercise, that is the 6.1. Let us start. In this question you have to see B plus 3 is equal to 12. So first of all, B plus 3 is equal to 12. So B will be equal to 12 minus 3, that is the 9. So B becomes 9. Now A plus 3 is equal to B. So you have to write A plus 3 is equal to B. So what will be happen? A plus 3, B is 9. So A will be equal to 9 minus 3, that is A is equal to 6. So you can put the value all this. B is 9, so you can write here 9, and A is 6, so you can write here 6, and plus 33. So what will be happen? So here is 6 and 3, that is the 9, and here is 9 and 3, that is the 12. So you can see our answer is correct. So that is A is 6 and B is equal to 9. So that will be your answer. Now come to the question number 2, second part of this question. You can see here in the last unit place y plus 2 is equal to 8. So you can write here y plus 2 is equal to 8. So what will be the value of y? Y is equal to 8 minus 2. So y is equal to 6. Y is greater than 1. So there is some carry. So that means x plus y is equal to 11 because 1 is here. Now put the value of y, that is the x plus y is 6, so it is 11. So x will be equal to 11 minus 6, so that becomes 5. So let us see, check what will be happen. So 3x is given as 5 and y is given as 6, and here is y is given as 6 and further 6 and 2. Now add them, 6 and 2 that is the 8, and 6 and 5 11, and 3 and 6 9, and 1 10. So our answer is correct. That means the value of x is 5 and value of y is 6. So that will be your answer. Now come to the third part of this question. Here is and both are having the same number. Suppose n is equal to 2 or 8. So that means 6 into 2 that is the 12, and here is 6 into 8 it is 48. So both are same. So let us see what will be happen in this. So here is m and m both are same. So how can possible both are same? Let it may be 1. M is 1 and here is the 8. Now let us see what is be happen. 1 and 8. So we can multiply to 6. We get here 6 8 jump 48. So 4 is carry and 6 1 ja 6 and 4 that is the 10. So you have to see both number are same. So that means m is equal to 1, that is the correct value, and n is equal to 8, and what is the l is equal to 0. So these are the answer of this question. Let us see the next question, that is the fourth part. So what will be happen in this? Both three numbers are the same. So you can write three numbers same. How can do this? In this question, both are the same having the number 1. It may be 1, but we can say if it is 1, so it is not possible to 1 1 ja 7. So that means suppose z is equal to 5. So what will be happen? 1 5 is 5 multiplied to this 5 5 ja 25, 2 carry, and 5 1 ja 5 and 2 7. So our answer is correct. So how can say 1 is possible? So 1. So multiply to this 1 1 ja 1 and 1 1 ja 1. So that will be not possible. So our number is z is equal to 5 is your answer. Let us see the next question. That one is the fifth question. X and here is 6 and y. So we get here 4 6 1. So let us see how can do. Suppose y is equal to 4. So we can say it is x plus 6 plus y is equal to, that is 11, because here is carry. So it is the put the value of y, that is the x plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 11. So x plus 10 is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 minus 10. So we get that is the 1. X equal to 1. Let us see what will be happen. X equal to y is equal to 4 and x equal to 1. So what will be happen in this? We can say x equal to 1. So we can write here 1 1, and here is 6, and y is given as 4 4. So it is 4 4 4. So now add them 6 and 1 7 and 4 11. So here is 5 and 1 6 and 4 st. So our answer is correct. So that means x will be equal to 1 and y equal to 4. So that will be your answer. Let us see the next question. In 2pq and pq1 is equal to q18. Let us see how can do this. In this question, as you know, q plus 1 is equal to 8. So you can write here q plus 1 is equal to 8. So q is equal to 8 minus 1. That means q is equal to 7. Now p plus q is equal to 11. So p plus q is equal to 11 by it is carry, because both numbers are larger than the 1. So put the value of q, set the p plus 7 is equal to 11. So p is equal to 11 minus 7. So what will be happen? It is 4. Now p is equal to 4. Now put the in this question. So what will be happen? 2p is 4 and q is 7. And here is p further. P is 4, q is 7 and 1. Now add them. It is 8, 7, 4, that is the 11, and 2 and 4, 6, and 1, 7. So you can say the q is correct answer. So we can say p is equal to 4 and q is equal to 7 is our answer. Let us see the seventh part of this question. ml into 6, that is the ll. All the numbers are same, and here is also same. So let us see how can do this. In this number both are same. Suppose L is equal to 4, so that means 6 4 ja 24, so both are same. Here both are same, so you can write here it is L as a 4, so you can write here 4, and here is into 6. 6 4 ja 24, so carry is 2. Now it is 7, and 6 7 ja 42, and 2, that one is the 44, so you have to write 44. So all the digits are same, that means L is equal to 4 and M is equal to 7. That number is denoted to M, so M is 7, so that will be your answer. Let us see the next, that is the exercise 6.2. The first question, which of the following numbers are multiple of 5 and 10? So let us see multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 is equal to, who has the unit place is 0 or 5, that will be multiple of 5. So, and here is the multiple of 10. You can write here multiple of 10. Who has unit place only 0, so that will be the multiple of 10. So let us see, in this there is no 5 and 0, here is 0, so you can write here 9560. So you can write here also 9560. Now it is 5, so you can write here 205, and it is not divided by this, and it has double 0, so that number is divided by 10, multiple of 10, and it is also multiple of 5. Now this one is not multiple of 5, so that will be your answer. Now come to the next question. If a number that is divisible by 3 has 8 in its unit place, then what can be possible digits in 10th place? In this question, unit place is given as that is the 8, so you have to write here 8, and the tens we can write tens. How can write? First one is 1, so we can say if 1 plus 8, that is the 9, because 9 is divided by 3, it becomes 3, it is divisible by 3. So now the second number it is divided by 9. How can say? Second number is 4, because 4 plus 8 is 12, so 12 is divided by 3, so that means it is 4, so that means it is the divisible by 3. Now the 7 number, so it is 78, so 7 plus 8, it is 15, and 15 is divided by 3, so it gives 5, so that means these are the numbers. So numbers are, you can write which one? 18, 48 and 78. That will be your answer. Let us see the next question. If the number 3, 5p is the multiple of 5, then find the value of p. So value of p is 0 or 5. You can say, because there is 0 or 5, so it is multiple of 5. So that will be your answer. Now come to the next number, fourth question. If the number 6a3b is that number divisible by 9, find the value of a and b. So 6 and 3, that is the divisible by 9, because the sum is 6 plus 3, it is 9, so it is divisible by 9. That means a and b are such that they are divisible by 9. So 1 plus 8, it is divisible by 9, so you can say 0 plus 9, it is divisible by 9. Otherwise you can say it is 9 0, it is 2 and 7 and 7 and 2, and here is 6 and 3, and here is which number? It is 5 and 4 and 4 and 5. So these numbers are possible because 1 plus 8, that is the 9, divided by 9. All the sums having the 9, so they are divided by 9. So these are the answers. So possible values of A and B are like this. So that will be your answer. Because you can say plus, okay, you can write A and B value. So let us see the next question. Check whether it is the divisible by 7 to the following numbers. So how can check this one? So let us see. So first question, it is given as 672. It is divided into two parts, that is the 67 and 2. So 2 is multiplied 2, yani double of this unit place. So you can here write here, it is the 4. Now it subtract them. So what will be happen? So minus 4. So we get it as 7 minus 4, that is the 3, and here is 6. Now further it is divided two parts, and one is 3. So 3 is multiplied by 2. So we get 6. Here we get 4. Now 6 and here 3 to the 6, and here 6. This is subtracting this, and 0 is divisible by 7. So you can say 0 is divisible by 7. So the number is divided by 7. So you can write, so the number which one, 672 is divisible by 7. Let us see the next second question. That is the second question. That is the 905. Further, it divides into two parts like this. Here is 90 and here is 5. 5 is doubled. So we get 10. Now 10 is subtract here. So we get here 80. Now it is further divided into two parts. So 8 and 0 is multiplied by 2. So we get 0. So 8 minus 0, it is 8, which is not divisible by 7. Which is not divisible by 7. So 905 is not divisible by 7. So that will be your answer. Let us see the next two numbers. Now come to the third part. What will be happen in your third part? Third part is given as 2205. So it is divided into two parts, and the 5 into 2, that is the 10, and here is 220, and now 10 is subtracting this. So we get here 0, and here is 1, and here is 2. Let us see, it is further divided into two parts. So 0 into 2, that is the 0, and here is 21 and minus 0. So we get 21, which is divisible by 7. You can write here, which is divisible by 7. So number which one? 2205 is divisible by 7. So that will be your answer. Let us see the fourth part of this question. What is the fourth part? So you can say 9751. It is divided into two parts further. So first part is 975 and double of 1, so that is the 2. Now subtract this 2. It is the 3, and here is 7, and here is 9. It is divided further two parts. One is 97 and second is double of 3, that is the 6. Double of 3. Now subtract this, so we get it is 1, and here is 9. It is further divided into two parts. So 1 into 2, that becomes 2, and here is 9 minus 2. So we get 7. So it is divided by, you can write which is divisible by 7. So the number which one, 9751, is also divisible by 7. So that will be your answer. Let us see the next question. That is the 11. Divisibility of 11. So how can divisible by 11? So first question, that is the 913. We can add the odd place number and subtract the even place number. How can? You can say 9 plus 3 minus 1. So it will be equal to, it is 9 on 12. 12 minus 1, that is the 11, which is divisible by 11, which is divisible by 11. So 913 is also divisible by 11. So it is your first answer. Now check to second. Second is given as 987. What will be happen? So even place and odd place, you can write here 9 plus 7 and minus 8. So what will be happen? It becomes 9 minus 9 or plus that is the 16 minus 8, that becomes 8, which is not divisible by 11. So the number, which number? It is the 987 is not divisible by 11. So that is your answer. Now let us see the third and fourth part. Question number third part of this question, that is the 3729. Let us do 3 plus 2 and minus, here is 7 plus 9. What will be happen? It is the 5 minus 16 and it is minus 11, which is divisible by 11. So the number, which number? That is the 3729 is divisible by 11. That will be your answer. Now come to the fourth part of this number, 198. So 1 plus 8 and minus, that is the 9. So it is 9 minus 0, 9 minus 9. So it becomes 0, which is divisible by 11. So the number, which number? 198 is also divisible by 11. So that will be your answer. Let us see the next one, that is the check the divisibility of 13. How can check the divisibility by 13? Let us see. The first question is 169. It divided into two parts, as you know from here. So first part is 16 and second is the 4 times of this one. So 36, and we can add the 36 here. So 6, 6, 12, and it is the 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. Further you can check here. It is divided into two parts. So first one is 5 and the second is 2 into 4, that will be 8. So 8 is adding, and that is the 13, and which is divisible by 13. So you can write which is divisible by 13. So 169 is also divisible by 13. So that will be your answer. Now come to the second part of this one, 2197. It is divided further two parts. First one is 219 and second is 7 into 4. How much? It is 28. So we can add 28 in this. So it is the 9 or 8, that is the 17, and here is 2 and 1, 3, and that is the 4. 1 carry is here, and it is 2. Now further it is divided into two parts, 24, and second is 7 4 times, that is the 28. So we can write here 28. Now add them, 8 and 4, that is 12, and here is 4 and 1, 5. So further you can say it is the 2 into 4, that is the 8, and here is 5 and 8 plus 13, which is divisible by 13. So 2197 is also divisible by 13. So that will be your answer. So now you can see, now you can do the next two parts also. Now come to the third part of this question, and that is the 3146. Now it is further divided into two parts. First one is 314 and the second one is 6 to 4 times, that is the 24. Now 24 is added here, so we can 4, 4, 8 and 1 and 2, that is 3, and it is 3. It is further divided into two parts. First one is 33 and second one is 8 into 4, that is 32. So you can add 32. What will be happen? 3 and 2 5 and 3 3 6, and you can say which is divisible by 13. So the number, which number? 3146 is also divisible by 13. So that will be your answer. Now the fourth part of this question, that is the 5280. It is further divided into two parts. First one is 5 to 8 and second one 0, which is 4 times, that is the 0. So you can add here. So it is 8, 2 and 5. It is further divided into two parts. First one is 52 and second one is 8 4 32. Now 32 that is here 4 and 5 3, that is 8. So it is further divided into two parts. 8 and 4 4 16. So you can add here 16. So 8 and 4, that is the 8 6 14, and it is 24, which is not divisible by 13. So the number, which one number? 5280 is not divisible by 13. So that will be your answer. ये क्वेश्चन सारे समाप्त हो गए हैं बच्चों। इसके नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके, और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक भी करेंगे, जिससे कि मुझे भी पता चल सके हाँ आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है, और मैं इसी तरह आपको वीडियो बना करके देता रहूँगा। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।